Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week we're moving into chapter 2, and chapter 2 is all about research. Hopefully everybody's pulled together their thoughts on the research topic that they're going to be working on for the semester, completing discussion board number 9 there for exercise 1.5. And I have to say so far there are quite a few, actually really quite a few interesting topics out there to be researched and written about. So good reading this semester. I want to point out the chapter 2 unit, the overview and the objectives. I say this particular unit is really kind of heavy with a lot of video resources from a library resources video here. I have a really good instructional video on MLA citations and EasyBib and how to create those and use EasyBib on a YouTube video there. So let me roll down to the next page here. And here I have a whole page full of links for performing research and learning about all the great possibilities and processes that the library has available to all the students at Moraine Valley. Here's choosing sources from the Moraine Library, library research resources, search tips there. Here is the basic search link to the database in the library site. I'm sure people have seen this already. I'm looking and I'm seeing some database type citations for some of the work so far. Here is the advanced search that you might find really interesting and work with for the library site there. And then here's just the general databases library site. So we have all of these particular tips are in the library research page. I've provided also some links to CQ Researcher and SIRS Researcher for some background data on those particular types of sources. I've already introduced and talked about the annotated bibliography in last week's lecture video, so I'll let that lay there. Be sure you read through this carefully. Look at the instructional video for some guidance. Like I said, it is an older video that was produced during the pandemic, but it applies here. Also, there's that example of the annotated bibliography, and it is a good example of the annotated bibliography. And here, this instructional video and this content it really kind of communicates my expectations for what I'm looking for in a way of annotations for each of your sources for the annotated bibliography. We have the discussion board. The only discussion board this week is exercise 2.1. We've already seen some really good examples posted in the discussion board, so we're going to be working on some of the steps that really will contribute to your research. Now, I might have lightened up a little bit on the discussion board activity for the next couple of weeks. The reason being is that allows you some time to work on the annotated bibliography. See, once again, look at the example, look at the instructions. It is not a document, if you look at the instruction, the example, that you can throw together last minute. I would urge everyone to work on that continuously over the next few weeks. Make sure you're adding your sources, your annotations. If you come about some better sources, you can either add them or pull some sources out of your annotated, however you see fit to develop your research there. So this particular week is a little light with the one discussion board. And once again, just to emphasize, I want to urge everybody, please start collecting your sources for your annotated bibliography. So let me get back to the module. So that's going to be the week number 7 module. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.